Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome in Hijazi News Update. Punjab Arts Council organized colourful events in connection with Culture Day. Parliamentary Secretary Information and Culture Department Ms. Shazia Rizwan was the chief guest on this occasion. Director Art Council Sajjad Hussain, Deputy Director Muhammad Shakoor, Assistant Director Muhammad Suleman, Assistant Director Sarfaraz and Assistant Director Waqar Ali were also present alongside the chief guest. Upon arrival at the Art Council, the chief guest was presented with a traditional Chunri of Punjab, while the officials adorn traditional Punjabi turban. Chief guest Shazia Rizwan stated that Punjab Culture Day not only presents our heritage and traditions but also serves as a means to connect our youth with their culture roots. Government of Punjab is committed to celebrating this day with full fervor to preserve our customs, folk, arts and local heritage. The enthusiastic public participation in today's festivities reflects our strong cultural consciousness. Culture Day offers a unique opportunity to heritage the colors, fragrance and folk wisdom of Punjab. Punjab Art Council has organized various programs including folk music, painting competition, musical events and regional dances. I am proud to be part of this beautiful initiative that promotes the civilization and culture of Punjab. Director Art Council Sajjad Hussain said that Punjab Culture Day beautifully reflects our civilizational identity, traditional values and fine arts. This day gives us the opportunity to pay tribute to our centuries-old culture, folk music, traditional attire and rural heritage while introducing the younger generation to it. Punjab Art Council has arranged various exhibitions and special performances by folk artists to bring the public closer to their culture roots. We are committed to preserving the cultural glory of Punjab and showcasing it on both national and international platforms. On the occasion of Culture Day, a painting competition was also held in Punjab Art Council. The judges for the competition were Khurram Babri, Nabiha Muzaffar and Saima Amir. Rubina Khalid, Shanze Noreen and Hina Zaman took first, second and third positions were awarded respectively with cash prizes of first 10,000, 7,000 and 5,000 along with certificates of appreciation. A Punjabi poetry recital was also organized in connection with Culture Day, presided over by Mr. Anjum Salimi with hosting duties performed by Ittifaq Bhatt. All the participants received immense appreciation from the attendees in the musical program held at the Punjab Art Council.